Tiraya, fuddle-diddle-da. Tiraya, fuddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-do. Well, how will I get to your father's house? How will I get to your bed? Me father locks the door at night. The keys lie under his head. With me, Tiraya, fuddle-diddle-da. Tiraya, fuddle-diddle-diddle.
The news, all me bold chandeliers, with your long barrel gone from the sea. Say what wind from the south blows your messenger here with his hymn for the dawning of the free. Goodly news, do I bring you the forth? Goodly news shall you hear, Margie man. For the boys march at dawn from the south to the north, led by Kelly, the boy from Calais. Tell me who is the giant with the gold curling hair? He who rides at the head of the band. 7 feet is his height with some inches to spare. He looks like a king in command. Me boys, that's the pride of the bull Shelmalier, from our greatest of heroes a man. Fling your beavers aloft and give 3 ringing cheers for John Kelly, the boy from Callan. Enniscorthy's in flames and all the Wexford is won. Tomorrow the Barrow we cross. On a hill or the town we have planted a gun that will batter the gateways to Ross. All the Forthmen and Margie men will march o'er the heath with brave Harvey to lead in the van. But the foremost of all in that grim gap of death will be Kelly, the boy from Callan. But the cold sun of freedom grew dark in that Ross, and is set by the Slaney's red waves. And poor Wexford, stripped naked, hung high on a cross, with her heart pierced by traitors and knaves. Glory, oh, to the brave men who died for the cause of Longtown Trotton man. Glory, oh, to Millminster's old darling and bride, dauntless Kelly, the boy from Callan.
Whoa.